Okay, this is just a quick experiment. I'm playing around with this Chameleon powder by Let's Resin. This is called Galaxy. It's so cool. I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? And just mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, because if you mix Floetrol with this, it will completely dull it. So it is very, very thin. This is 24 karat gold by Deco Art, but it also has in it this interference gold by US Art Supply. And then I have my silver that has the Deco Art metallics and also Artist Loft silver. And then my white is also Artist Loft mixed with satin enamels by Deco Art. This is just a quick experiment. Had some leftover paint and wanted to try something. And the base on this is just a gray leftover paint that I had. So let's see, what order do I want to put this down as? I'm gonna add this berry by Metallics, by Deco Art Metallics. Although it is doing some cool stuff, it's just not what I wanted it to do. So let's see what happens if I just do a couple of drops in there. right, we'll see what happens as that dries. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. It's got some really cool things going on. I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens. I kind of gave up on the Deco Art satin enamel because it was not the look I was going for. I have a little bit of it right here, so that's cool. If more things start happening to it, then that's great. But if not, I'm really okay with it. I think it's really cool. And of course, there's tons of metallic in it, and that's my favorite. So let's see what happens as it dries. Okay, I lied. I'm messing with it. It was so blobby before. I didn't want it to be like that, so I definitely like this better. I'm just gonna fix a couple spots. Okay, now I'm really excited. You can't see it. I don't think, oh, the light's gonna be in the way. But the shimmer is so cool. All right, let's hope this dries the way I want it to. So I will continue to, excuse me. I will continue to experiment with these powders, adding them to just Liquitex pouring medium and then other paints, and just having fun and seeing what kind of cool chameleon iridescent powder mixtures create. So, see you when it's dry. This is my new favorite, which is kind of crazy because there's no blue in it.